How to add keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the timeline where your clip is placed. Select the clip you want to animate, then head over to the inspector panel on the top right. Now, scroll through the inspector option like zoom, position, rotation, or opacity. These are properties where keyframes can be added. To enable keyframing, click the small diamond icon next to the property you want to animate. Next, move your playhead to the position in the timeline where you want the change to begin. Adjust the property value, and the keyframe will automatically be added at that point. Then, move the playhead to a different time in the timeline and change the property again. This creates another keyframe. DaVinci Resolve will now animate a transition between the two values. You can view and adjust these keyframes more precisely in the keyframe timeline. If you ever need to remove a keyframe, just go to that point in the keyframe timeline and delete it manually. You can also move the keyframes by selecting and dragging where you want to. And that's it. Now you know how to add keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.